Welcome back, guys. Let's correct the exercises now. Fantastic. What lesson is this? This is lesson 109A, exercises. Exercise number 1, answers. How is the U.S. political system? Control, or the control, tudo bem, is in the hands of three equal branches of power. What are the branches of power? They are the legislative power, the executive power, and the judicial power. What is the legislative power? It's the Congress with the Senate, senators, and the House of Representatives. What are they all? They are all congressmen and congresswomen. Very good. What do they do? They vote and pass the laws. That's it. What is the executive power? The executive power. It puts the laws into practice with the help of the vice president, the vice governor, the vice mayor, and their cabinets. What do the president do? The president puts the laws into practice. Very good. Who helps the president? The vice president does, or the vice president helps the president. Se quiser responder resposta curta ou resposta longa, right? What is the judicial power? It interprets laws and makes judgments. What is their role? Qual o papel deles? What is their role? Their role is to interpret laws and make judgments. What does the teacher mean by equal branches of power? She means that no branch has more power than the others, right? It's equal power, equal. All right? Fantastic. Let's move on. Exercise number 2, questions. It means that no branch has more power than the others. A pergunta anterior, né? What does the teacher mean by equal branches of power? Aqui no caso, tudo bem, né? It means, it não é she, né? Mas poderia ser também. Aqui no caso, what does the teacher mean? Aqui está dizendo, não está dizendo o que ela quer dizer, mas que o que ela disse quer dizer, né? É a declaração dela. Equal branches of power. It means that no branch has more power than the others. Must they control one another? Yes, they must control one another. What can the president do? The president can veto legislation. Can the president veto legislation? Yes, he can. Tá vendo? É a parte que ele controla o executivo, o legislativo, right? What does Congress do? Congress makes laws that limit the president's actions. Or você pode perguntar, what kind of laws does Congress make? Congress makes laws that limit the president's actions. What does the Constitution declare? The Constitution declares equality and liberty. What must the courts do? The courts must declare illegal every law against democracy. How can justice be just? Justice can only be just if the laws are fair. Right? Várias dessas poderiam fazer uma pergunta de opção. Por exemplo, aqui. Can justice only be just if the laws are fair, or even if the laws are not fair? Aí, uma opção. Sim ou não. Justice can only be just if the laws are fair. Exercise number 3. Which power does it? Tá? Então, olha, tem aqui as atividades e a gente tem que dizer qual é o poder, o branch of the government, right? Que faz essa atividade. Então, the Senate votes and passes the laws. The Senate is the legislative power. The Senate, legislative power. Judges judge. The judicial power. The president puts the laws into practice. The executive power. Courts interpret laws and make judgments. Courts, the judicial power. The House of Representatives votes and passes the laws. The House of Representatives, the legislative power. The governor puts the laws into practice. The executive power. The governor puts the laws into practice where? In the state, não é? No estado. Do governors put laws in practice in the country? No, they don't. Where do they put laws in practice? They put laws in practice in the state, in their state, right? No estado deles. All right? Then they are the executive power. All right? In the Congress. The Congress makes laws. The legislative power. The mayor puts the laws into practice. The mayor is the executive power. Does the mayor put the laws into practice in the country? No, he doesn't. Where does he put the laws into practice? In their city, right? Eles colocam as leis em prática na cidade deles, né? Nem no estado, nem no país, right? Cada na sua hierarquia, all right? The president can veto legislation. The president, the executive power. All right, very good. Now, court decisions depend on the interpretation of the laws. The judicial power. Court, judicial interpretation of the laws, judicial power. To depend on. Agora, olha, nós vamos trabalhar com o depend on, conjugado de acordo com cada frase. Vamos ver, né? The Senate depends on the House of Representatives. O Senado depende da Casa dos Representantes, né? Coisa dos deputados, né? No caso do Brasil, os deputados federais. Então, o Senado depende dos deputados federais. Depende por quê? Porque eles dois são o Congresso e os dois têm que votar e decidir. Então, the Senate depends on the House of Representatives. And the House of Representatives depends on the Senate, né? Depende do outro, porque os dois vão votar. They depend on each other to pass the laws. Né? Eles dependem um do outro para passar as leis. Okay? Todos eles têm que votar. The president depends on them. The president depends on them to put the laws into practice. Não é? Se não tiver law, o presidente não vai ter nada para colocar em practice. Então, o presidente depende do Senate e da House of Representatives, right? Depende da ação deles. The courts depend, plural, depend on the Congress to have the laws. Né? If the Congress doesn't work, doesn't make the laws, the courts can't judge. Não é? Porque as cortes não dependem de interpretação das leis para julgar. Então, tem que ter lei. Se não tiver lei, por isso que the courts depend on the Congress to have the laws. The president depends on laws that limit his actions. Né? Ele depende das leis que limitam as suas ações. Senão ele fazer o que ele quiser. E isso não é, no caso, uma democracia. Right? Court decisions depend on laws that limit their actions. Né? As decisões das cortes também estão limitadas pelas leis. Né? O juiz não pode resolver do jeito que ele quiser. Ele tem que estar baseado na lei que garanta o direito ou o não direito. Certo? Every law depends on the Constitution to be legal. Olha que bela essa frase. How beautiful this sentence is. Every law depends on the Constitution to be legal. Tá? As leis que não respeitam as determinações da Constituição, as determinações justas, né? Precisa ver se as determinações na Constituição estão corretas também. Respeitam os princípios da democracia. As leis que não, elas dependem da Constituição, que respeita os princípios da democracia para ser legal, né? Para ser lei, né? Para ser legal. Então, every law depends on the Constitution to be legal. Does every law depend on the Constitution to be legal? Yes, it does. What does the law depend on the Constitution to be? Very good. Every law depends on the Constitution to be legal. All right. The Constitution and every law depend on the principles of democracy. The Constitution and every law depend on the principles of democracy. Certo? A Constituição e toda lei que estiver abaixo da Constituição, tudo depende dos princípios da democracia. Court decisions depend on interpretation of the laws. Não é? O juiz, as decisões dependem da interpretação das leis. Justice depends on fair laws. Né? A justiça depende de leis justas. Justice depends on fair laws. What does justice depend on? Very good. Justice depends on fair laws. Does justice depend on fair laws? Yes, it does. What does justice depend on? Fantastic. Justice depends on fair laws. Exercise number 5, sentences, word order, right? In branches, the equal control power is 3 hands of. Control is in the hands of 3 equal branches of power, tá? O controle está nas mãos de 3 poderes, 3 áreas de poder iguais, né? Equal power. No, then means power. It, others, has, the branch, that, more. It means that no branch has more power than the others. Right? Não dá para a gente mudar a sequência aqui. Não tem como, precisa ficar nessa ordem as palavras. The fair can just only be justice laws if are. Justice can only be just if the laws are fair. Can justice be just if the laws are not fair? No, it can't. When can justice be just? Justice can only be just if the laws are fair. Não é? O juiz não pode julgar de maneira justa se ele aplica uma lei que não é justa. Right? Então, aí é que tá. Para tudo isso depende, né? Depende da justiça, do que é justo, do que é fair. Alright? Então, capricha aí, dá uma olhadinha nos exercícios. Se ficou alguma dúvida, faz de novo, pratica mais um pouco e depois volta para a gente começar unidade nova. Come back so that we are going to start a new unit. See you soon, everybody!